application a short video where I will explain an application, the ByteStand application that I've built for one of my clients. And what this application does, it allows the users to copy their applications from their stores to their from their Amazon merchants account to their Shopify store. So after the user enters his credentials and installs the application and enters his credentials for the Amazon account, it will allows him to pull his products with pull all and push them with these options. Okay, so all these options are disabled now because the push is running, and we can see here that we chose to push one product and with all its variants, and it will just push them and give us the progress here. Okay, so what after the product has been pushed, we can find it here in Shopify store, and just to see this is the products that we pushed. Okay, I think the product is no longer available because this is just an old account. And yeah, we can see here the product with all its details and the pictures, and the description here. Okay, so what I used to build this application, I used the Ruby on Rails framework as the full full stack application framework, with a set of other libraries and gems like the Shopify API and the Shopify app to interact with the Shopify API. And the other one is the Sidekick background jobs processing, which we used to perform the background jobs, and the Peddler gem for Amazon account, for Amazon API marketplace, web API, web services API, and the Postgres database to store the data for the products after we pull them, and Redis as a cache and as a process to track the process, because this process could be very long depending on how many products the the merchant has on his account and on his Amazon account. We had some clients who had more than 100k products, and we pull them all in as fast as we could, which could go to 7-8 hours for that number of products. So it's pretty quick, pretty quick with all the constraints that we faced with the throttling from the Amazon API and Shopify API. And so the process was a long process with multiple steps from getting the description, the details, the price, and etc. So all those was required us to call multiple APIs endpoints from Amazon. So it was a multi-step process that we wanted to, and we had to do as fast as we can. Okay, so this is what I did, and I was the one responsible for building it from the ground up using those different technologies. And I did that successfully, and the application is uh, is very successful compared to its competition. And as I say now, to just to say how the application was successful. So back in when we released the beta and the users start using it, and uh, even it and Shopify saw how successful the application was, they dropped their application, which for the same that provides the same service and the same features. Um, okay, I think this is it, and this is the short description of the application I did. One thing is that the interface is here is a Vue.js single page application that uses the an early version of the Vuetify um, UI library. Okay, um, so this is it, and the application was uh, also copied to the BigCommerce platform after the application starts rising in use in on Shopify. BigCommerce contacted us to provide the same service for their platform, and we created it for them using the same code base. I managed to uh, provide it for BigCommerce platform. Okay, that's this is it, and thank you.